Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Welcome to another unboxing. Yes guys, today we are gonna do another unboxing, and this time it's from Yves Saint Laurent. Yes guys, you can see I have a huge paper bag here right beside me, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So yeah, let's do it. Are you ready guys? Let's open it. Inside guys, we get to see this, right? That's a note from my SA. It says here, Lynn, warmest congratulations and enjoy your new YSL. There you go guys. It comes with, you know, the price of the purse guys, and then this envelope that comes with my SA's contact information, as well as the receipt of this purse guys. Now for the purse guys, it is in here. So yeah, let's open it. So it comes with a dust bag guys. All right, let's take it out. Ta-da! It's so nice. This is the Saint Laurent Blue Crossbody bag in a patent crocodile embossed calf leather that features the YSL logo at the front and the adjustable shoulder strap. So this is the strap guys. Let's remove all of this so we can have a better look at it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes guys. Say we'll put it in the fourth one guys. There, that's the fourth one. Okay, and insert it here and in here. There we go. Right, that's how it is. And also it comes with cute tassel. All right, let's remove this. So that's a cute tassel guys, and it says here Saint Laurent Paris. It has a zip top closure guys, which I love, of course, to prevent my stuff from falling off. I also love the fact that it has golden hardware. Right guys, so there at the front the logo is golden hardware, as well as here, all the way here, and this one of course. Let's check what's inside guys. So inside we have some filler I don't know how you call this, you know, some tissue paper to keep this in shape, right? As for the interior guys, it has a one slip pocket right there, right? It's a good size, and of course it comes with all this that would tell us that this is authentic. There you go guys. Comes with envelope with all of this, you know, serial number and everything. So going back to this purse guys, I showed you a while ago, it has one slip pocket. We can put here a lot of things, right? That's what I like about this one guys. As you can see, it's big enough to carry all our daily essentials, right? As for the dimension of this purse guys, it has approximately 6 to 3 inches height, width of 9 inches, and the depth of 2.4 inches. This Yves Saint Laurent purse is made in Italy, right there. There you go, right there. Right? This purse is so versatile that you can wear it, let's say, in doing errands during the day, to parties or events at night. So either you dress up, you dress down, or no dress at all. Just kidding. Yes guys, yeah, I love the style of this purse, and I'm glad to have this in my collection. All right guys, let's try it on.
Shall we begin? Let's begin, pal.
So that's it from me, guys. What do you think of these purse? Is this something that you would also want to purchase? And if you have one, what color do you have? Is it the quilted one? Is it the croc-embossed one, just like this one? And let me know your thoughts about this purse, guys. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you all for your continued support. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.